Okay, students, please join in very fast. Today we will start with a new chapter called Work Study. It is a very important chapter, but a very simple chapter to understand. So we will complete the introductory portion of this chapter called Work Study. I will wait for about a minute for everyone to come in. Please come in very fast. Okay, see, in work study, as the term suggests, it studies a work, any kind of a work. It can be simple as typing a computer. Typing a computer is a work. So while we study this typing a computer of a task, say a page I need to type, this study is called work study, and it is divided into two components. One is method study, the other is work measurement. So, by definition, as we go in, work study is a term used to embrace the techniques of method study and work measurement. Method study indicates in what method we are going to do the work, and work measurement indicates the measurement of time of completing a work and setting standard of time. We will get into details later. They are employed to ensure the best possible use of human and material resources to carry out a particular task. So, what it is used for? To ensure best possible use of human and material resources. Human resources are the primary resources here because human are doing the tasks. Work study is not generally conducted over machines. It is conducted over human beings. So, human resources, how they are employing their time, how they are, how what is their productivity level is studied by work study methods. The pioneer who led the foundation of work study is Gilbreth. There was a couple called Frank Gilbreth and Lillian Gilbreth who developed or who pioneered the study of work study, primarily method study. So, this is the introductory phase of work study. Then, in the next slide, you will get into the branches of work study. As I previously told you, work study deals with one is method study, the other is work measurement. Now, what is method study? Method study is as simple as what are the alternative methods of doing the same work? Is there any alternative method which can prove or provide the work to be more efficient? Say, for example, I am typing on a computer. Instead of typing, can I just scan a page and use it? Can I just copy and paste and use it? These are different methods of doing the same thing. It's not always possible, remember, it's not always possible that every time we can copy and paste, every time we can scan. But a particular task, a particular type of typing, if it is required and if it is possible to be done through copying and pasting, that is easier, that is faster. At very ground level works in rural villages, work studies have been conducted. NREGA has conducted work studies where they have studied how long it takes a worker to dig a hole or to dig a pond or to carry materials from one place to the other place, to carry soil, dust from one place to the other place, how long time it takes in a particular time frame, how long it takes. So this study was used to estimate the amount of salary or amount of wage they are going to get and the amount of incentive they're going to get if they perform more or perform better. So this is meta study. And work measurement is actually stopwatch measurement. You start the work, you start the stopwatch, you end the work, you end the stopwatch. This is stopwatch measurement. There are other measurements also, predetermined motion study time system, but stopwatch time study system is a most efficient way of measuring work. There are other methods also called work sampling, which measures works or works time. Okay, so when we will get into details of method study and work measurement, which is also called time study, we will deal with it in details. Next is objectives of work study. First, it motivates the employees by better physical methods. Better physical methods. Physical methods should be better. In whatever work you are, in whatever method you are performing the study, the if you are improving, the method should be better physically. It helps in research and development, obviously. It helps in enhancing the operations method, that is various operations. It can be in manufacturing sector, it can be in construction sector, it can be in field, rural field, what type of operations are used. It can be in projects, whatever. It simplifies process and sets standards. Now from here we come into work measurement. Setting standard is a task of work measurement. Work measurement sets a standard time. A standard time which is applicable for a particular work in which a worker is expected to complete a task. Now, how the standard time is calculated, we will cover that when we deal with work measurement. It improves product planning and control. Automatically, it improves product planning if you know the time exactly, how much time it takes. It increases the human efficiency at all levels. Remember, it is not only at the shop floor level, it is at all level, from the top level to the bottom level of an organization. The work study is applicable. How much time it takes to complete a task, and what are the various methods to doing a particular task. These are method study and work measurement. Okay. Next is the basic procedure of work study. First is select. Select what? Select the work that you're going to study. Select the task that you're going to study. Next is record. Recording is done through charts and diagrams. There are various types of charts available, flow charts and all. There are various types of charts available using which recording is done for a particular task or a particular work. Then examine. Examine what? The recorded facts. Whatever you have recorded, you examine those facts. Then develop. Develop what? Develop new methods. New methods are developed. This is up till here is method study. Then evaluate. Evaluate is what? Time study or work measurement. As I've told you, time study and work measurement are synonymous. So evaluate is a time study. Evaluating the developed new method developed is a time study. Then Define the new method. Then install and maintain. Install the method. Means put in the method in place and maintain the method for a longer period of time. This is the basic procedure of work study. So this is the lecture that I wanted to communicate to you today. Understand or study books regarding work study. Tomorrow we will get into details of method study, and thereafter we will get into details with time study or work measurement. Okay. After this, if you have any questions, you may please ask. All right. This is a pre-scheduled class that I have taken. Now, if you have questions, I'll be available during your class timing. You can ask questions. All right. Thank you for the time being.